Hi guys, welcome to this video about what you can do regarding space when you're using the Dropbox. So Dropbox has basically two different type of storage. It's using space for the program itself, program configuration, everything, and it has the Dropbox itself, which is the folder which you have, where you can put all your documents, your pictures, videos, everything to share with you on another PC or with other people or something like that. So we are now here on the website of Dropbox. It's very easy to download. You go to dropbox.com/install, then you can download it from here. Takes a long time, so you have to calculate at least 5 minutes or 10 minutes till everything is downloaded and installed. But I mean, it's a one-time thing, I don't mind. The thing is, these two things which you have then on your computer are using space. The one thing where your program is, configuration, everything will be on your C drive. There is no way to move this program. So when it comes to SSDs, especially small SSDs, this can be a little bit of pain. It's not very big. I haven't checked. I have just checked my space before and after on the C drive, and it didn't change noticeably. So it's definitely below 1 gigabyte. It's maybe 100 megabytes, probably not even, maybe 10 megabytes, I don't know. It's not so big, so that's the good thing. Even when you can't do anything regarding that, I mean, I hate that when you can't move programs to another drive instead of C, but there's still a lot of programs around. They have just no option in the install procedure. You have to have it on the C drive or on the normal drive, probably where your Windows is. So, and usually C drive is your SSD with the Windows, so you have no options. But you have an option for the data, for the Dropbox folder where pictures, documents, videos, everything is. And I've been googling a little bit for that, how you do that, and I have found a lot of old videos, so I think it has changed over time. So it's not difficult, you can find it anyway. But if you're looking for that, I'm showing you how this works. You go here, I mean, you click on this arrow. Here's the Dropbox icon. You click once, you go to this wheel, you click on preferences, and then there's a sync button now. Maybe 1 or 2 years ago it had just from general to proxies and didn't have these notifications and not this sync, at least in the versions which I have seen online. So now you can click on sync. That means you can do two things. You can have a selective sync, where you just, if you don't want to sync everything. And the second thing, which is important now, the Dropbox folder location. This is by default. It's the, it just does the C user, your name, and Dropbox, and then you can click on move and choose anything. You go to your PC, then go of course to the D drive. When you have a C drive with SSD, then you go to D drive and select, I mean, you can even make then a new folder and type Dropbox. Okay, so it's Dropbox. We select OK, then it says this will move your Dropbox folder and all the files inside from its current location to the Dropbox. So if you have any other tasks which are doing things to the Dropbox, like things which are backing up files like Google Uploader or a Google Photo Uploader or other things, you have to be aware. Of course, you have to change this to, like always. So just click on OK, and it has already moved that because it was empty, so that was pretty easy. If it has a lot of files, it will take maybe a little bit longer, but basically, yeah, it's gonna rain, so good to know. That's about it. That was pretty easy. I hope it will stay the same for a couple of months or years, and if it changes in a couple of years, it will be not too difficult or not change too much. And I'm really hoping that they will also provide an option to move or to move the program files or to select another location for the program file during the installation. So yeah, that's it. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about the things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.